Hello everyone, this video shows the working process of a horizontal wood debarking machine. This equipment adopts a trough-type structure design and is suitable for batch continuous debarking operations, offering high efficiency in the wood processing industry. During operation, multiple logs enter the machine at the same time. Driven by high-speed rotating rollers, the logs continuously tumble and rub against each other, allowing the bark to be removed quickly. Compared with traditional single log processing methods, this machine can handle multiple logs at once, significantly improving overall production efficiency. The entire operation process is smooth and continuous, with strong adaptability to logs of different shapes and sizes. After processing, the wood surface is clean and smooth and can be directly used for further processing or sale. The machine features a simple structure, easy maintenance, and is suitable for wood processing factories and large-scale raw material handling applications. At the same time, it runs stably with strong durability, making it suitable for long-term continuous production. The horizontal wood debarking machine is usually used at the front end of wood processing lines and is often combined with wood chippers, crushers, and other equipment to form a complete production system. If you are looking for a high-capacity wood debarking solution, this model is a very suitable choice. If you are interested, please feel free to contact us. We will recommend the most suitable machine and provide you with the best quotation.